Yo, AutoAce fam. EVs are getting hype, but in the Philippines, how mature is the electric motorcycle or scooter scene in 2025 or 2026? Today, we'll look at what models are available, real advantages and challenges, and whether it's smart to go electric right now. Let's go. Honda EM1E, priced at 155,400 in PH. A real EV entry for Honda. NWOW line, several models, NWOW WSP and NWOW TK10, NWOW ARS among others. TVS iCube, EV model from TVS, priced at 155,000 in the Philippines. E-Scooter, scooter EVs in PH. E-Scooter E2 starts at 135,000. with higher models up to 285,000. Sunra Miko Super, EV scooter rated at 148,000 for 3,000 watt variant. So yes, electric two-wheeler are real and in the market. The prices vary a lot depending on brand, range, and features. Lower running and maintenance costs. No oil changes, fewer moving parts. Quiet and smooth ride. Very ideal for city use. Tax incentives and tariff exemptions. PH extends zero tariffs on EVs and parts until 2028 to encourage adoption. Eco and image factor. Zero tailpipe emissions. Smaller carbon footprint. Limited range and range anxiety. Many EVs offer 60 to 100 kilometers per charge in city conditions. For longer routes, refueling charging is inconvenient. Charging infrastructure is sparse. Not enough public EV charger network yet, especially in provincial areas. High upfront cost. While maintenance is cheaper, the sticker price is still steep compared to gasoline models. Battery life and replacement cost. Batteries degrade over years. Replacement can be expensive. Resale and market risk. EV brand reliability and market acceptance still evolving. For urban riders with short daily routes, commutes or errands, EV scooters can already make sense, especially if you can charge at home. For mixed use included provincial or longer stretches, classic gasoline still wins in convenience. If you care about future-proofing, environmental impact, and want to be early adopter, EV is great bet, but expect trade-offs. AutoAce fam, will you switch to EV in 2025 or 2026, or wait a bit more? Comment your thoughts below. If this helped you see the trade-offs, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you stay updated on EV trends too. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.